Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So we are on Barbican Road and we are turning to go. Oh my gosh, there's no way we can drive here. Wow, this road is blocked. Also, oh, okay, you go for it. Well, it's a pickup, so that's high. Oh, it's not that bad. Wow, no, that water got high. Was it worth it? But it's a pickup, so it's high. Okay, no problem. We'll come out of the road. No problem. Cars are behind us wanting to go. Let's put on our hazards. Okay, they have wisely turned around. They have wisely turned around. So let's see if anybody else wants to try it. The pickup just went through. They went to the side and went through, but okay, here's a bus coming. Bus should be okay, it's high. Oh nice. There's another SUV. They've made it. There you can see this water has covered the sidewalk. Alright, here he goes. It's a government vehicle. Oh, do you know how high that water is going in that engine? Alright, looks like a car is going to try it now. There are some more cars. Alright guys, go for it. Okay, the car made it. Okay, so I guess if you go to the side, you have a very good chance. There they go. There they go. That SUVs, it should have gone more to the side. I think that white car is kind of regretting their decision now. They're taking their time. Alright, so cars are definitely going through. There you can see on the left, you cannot see the sidewalk. That shows you just how high the water is. Wow, look. I personally would have just turned around in a car like that and driven another way. Not to say that another way is not blocked either. This is Russell Heights. This is a turnoff from Barbican Road to go to Russell Heights. Wow. Wow. Was it really worth it? This car, I don't know. Okay. That's an SUV, so it should be fine. Wow. I mean, the ones that go to the side. Yeah? Look at the waves. The people running through the water. Oh my gosh, this car that just went through the water broke down. Oh my gosh, people, was it really worth it? See, they have on the hazard. I haven't moved in a while. They're now shut off. That car wisely reversing. I mean, wow, they are now shut off. There you can see. You saw the car coming through. You saw. Oh, them people trying to come and render assistance now, which is good. I mean, the one thing I can say about Jamaican people, if you're in distress, people will come and help you. Wow, the water is just too high. I mean, an SUV. Wait, the car. Oh, they're pushing it out of the water because the water is just going to get higher. Yes, good job, guys. Good job. They're pushing it out of the way. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at this now. Oh, I mean, it's hard to misjudge the water. Wow. That, oh my gosh. It's night. It's very hard to misjudge the water. Yeah, that car is turning around. Well, that's a pickup, so that's an SUV. They stand a much better chance. And it's getting dark now, so it's going to be really hard to judge this thing. We are not going to go through it. We're in an SUV, but we're not going through this. It's not worth it. That black car, you saw it coming through. I saw it stopping, but I thought it was because of the stoplight. But we have it. You can look back at the video. Yeah, cars are turning back around now. Oh, the people are telling them to go to the side. Some people are definitely turning around. I would recommend you turn around. Yeah, man, turn around. As a matter of fact, we're getting out of this way now. SUV, they stand a much better chance. And it's getting dark now, so it's going to be really hard to judge this thing. We are not going to go through it. We're in an SUV, but we're not going through this. It's not worth it.